Good morning to all. We are in chapter 7, fraction. Now, exercise 7. Question number 2. Write the given fractions in decreasing order. So, first one is 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 9. The different fractions are given. We have to write in decreasing order, means bigger to smaller. So first we have to find the LCM of all the denominator. First we will find LCM of 6, 8 and 9. We have to find the LCM 6, 8 and 9. So first we will divide by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8 and 9 will not divide. So write 9 only. Then again we will divide by 2, 3 will to not divide, 2 2 ja 4 and 9 will also not divide. Then again we have to divide by 2, 3 will not divide, 2 1 ja 2 and here 9 will not divide. Now we have to divide by 3, 3 1 ja 3, here 1 and 3 3 ja 9. Then again we have to divide by 3, 1 1 and here 3 1 ja 3. Now we have to write the numbers 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. So here the number is, here the LCM is 72. So first we have to write 5 upon 6 and we have to make here denominator 72. So by which number we will multiply 6? So our denominator will come 72 by 12. 6 multiplied by 12, 72. So same number we have to multiply in numerator also. So 5 multiplied by 12, 60. Now again the second fraction, 7 upon 8 multiplied by which number, so that the denominator will come 72. So 8 multiplied by 9. 8 multiplied by 9, 72. So here in numerator also we have to multiply by 9. So 7 multiplied by 9, 63. Now the third one fraction is 8 upon 9. So by which number we will multiply it, so that the denominator will come 72. So 9 multiplied by 8, 72. So 8 multiplied by 8, 64. Now we have to see the numerator, because here all the denominator came 72. So we have to see the numerator which is bigger. So here 64 upon 72 is biggest one. Then after that 63 upon 72. Then after that 60 upon 72. So 64 upon 72 from which fraction it is coming? 8 upon 9. Then 63 upon 72 is coming 7 upon 8. Then 60 upon 72 is coming 5 upon 6. So this is our answer. Decreasing order means bigger to smaller. Now question number 2, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 12. This question you have to do by yourself. Here also you have to write the given fraction in decreasing order. Now question number B, write the given numbers in decreasing order. Here numbers are given, we have to write in decreasing order. So first one is question 0.0008, 0.08, 0.008, 0.8, 8. So first we have to change into this decimal number, we have to change into fraction. So 0.0008 is equal to, again we have to write 0.0008. To remove point, remove decimal, we have to write here 1. Then after decimal, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4. So 40 we have to write. It means 8 upon 10,000. Now second decimal is 0.08. So here we have to write 0.08. Remove decimal, we have to write here 1. After decimal there is how many numbers? 2 numbers. So 20 we have to write. Now here 8 upon 100. So here we have to make our denominator 10,000. So by which number we will multiply? By 100 we will multiply in denominator also and in numerator also. So 8 multiplied by 100, 800, and 100 multiplied by 100, 10,000. Here we have to make all the denominator 10,000. Now decimal 008. So here decimal 008. Now remove decimal, write here 1, and after decimal how many numbers are there? 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So 3 0 we have to put. Now 8 upon 1000. So which number we will multiply to make 10,000 here? 1000 multiplied by 10. 1000 multiplied by 10. What is the answer? 10,000. So in numerator also we will multiply by 10. So 8 multiplied by 10, 80. Now decimal 0.8. So 0.8, remove point, we have to write here 1. After point how many number are there? 1 number. We have to put here 10. So 8 upon 10 we will multiply by which number? 10 multiply by which number, so that we get 10,000. So 10 multiplied by 1000. 10 multiplied by 1000, 10,000. 8 multiplied by 1000, 8,000. Now last number is our 8. So 8 means 8 upon 1. 8 means 8 upon 1. Denominator is not given anything, means we can able to write here 1. 1 multiplied by which number, so that we can get 10,000. By which number we will multiply by 1, so we get 10,000. So 1 multiplied by 10,000. 1 multiplied by 10,000 we get 10,000. So 8 multiplied by 10,000 we get 80,000. Now see, here all the denominators are equal, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So we have to see the numerator, which is biggest numerator. Biggest numerator is 80,000 upon 10,000. After that 8,000 upon 10,000. After that 800 upon 10,000. After that 80,000 upon 10,000. After that 8 upon 10,000. So from where 80,000 upon 10,000 we get? From 8. So 8 is the biggest number. Then after that 8,000 we get from 0.8. Then 800 we get from 0.08. Then 80 we get from 0.008. Then 8 we get from 0.0008. That is our answer. Question number second, 0.01, 0.0099, 0.00992, 0.0012. This question do by yourself. And here also first we have to make all the denominators equal. Then we have to see the numerator and arrange in decreasing order. Now question number third, write the given fraction in increasing order. Question number first is 5 upon 6, 9 upon 24, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 5 upon 8. These fractions we have to write in increasing order. So first we have to find the LCM of all the denominators, 6, 24, 2, 3 and 8. So first we have to find all the LCM of denominator, 6, 24, 2, 3, 8. So here it will divide by 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 12 ja 24, 2 1 ja 2, 3 will not divide, and 2 4 ja 8. Then again we will divide by 2, 3 will not divide, 2 6 ja 12, here 1 1, 3 will also not divide, and 2 2 ja 4. Then again we will divide by 2, 3 will not divide, 2 3 ja 6, 1 1, 3 will not divide, and 2 1 ja 2. Then again we will divide by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, here 1, 3 1 ja 3, and here also 1. So the number is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 24 is our LCM. Now 5 upon 6 we have to write, and we have to make the denominator 24. So which number we will multiply by 6 so that denominator will come 24? 6 4 ja 24. So this 4 we have to multiply by numerator also. 5 4 ja 20. Now 9 upon 24. Which number we will multiply by 24 so that denominator will come 24? 1. 24 1 ja 24. So 9 1 ja 9. Now 3 upon 2. Which number we will multiply by 2 so that denominator will come 24? 2 multiplied by 12. To 24. So 3 multiplied by 12. 36. Now 1 upon 3 multiply by which number? 3 multiply by which number so that the denominator will come 24? 3 multiply by 8. So what is the denominator? 24. So 1 multiply by 8, 8. Now 5 upon 8, 8 which number we will multiply so that denominator will come 24? 8 multiply by 3, 24. So 5 multiply by 3, 15. Now here all the denominators are 24. All the denominators are equal. So we have to see which is the smallest numerator, because we have to write the given fraction in increasing order. Means increasing order means smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest one? 8 upon 24. Then after that 9 upon 24. Then 15 upon 24. Then 20 upon 24. Then 36 upon 24. So 8 upon 24 came from 1 upon 3. 9 upon 24 came from 9 upon 24. 15 upon 24 came from 5 upon 8. 20 upon 24 came from 5 upon 6. And 36 upon 24 came from 3 upon 2. That is our answer. This like this you have to do in increasing order. Now question number second, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 8, 2 upon 15. This question do by yourself. This is your homework. Here also you have to find first LCM, then make all the denominator equal, then see the numerator and arrange in increasing order.